Alright, thanks for checking out our Ford Mondeo that's just arrived. This one here is in stunning white. You've got the alloy wheels, colour-coded mirrors, window tint, and much more. You got the premium trim throughout, nice cloth trim. Coming through into the back of the vehicle, huge amount of room in the back. The great thing on the Mondeo, you get airbags built into the seat belt, satellite navigation through the front, and you also get capless fueling, and this one being a diesel. Come across into the back, it's in great condition. You've got rear parking sensors, quick release into the boot, and coming down to the side, it's in great condition all round. Coming through into the front of the car, this one here's just travelled 108 Ks. You got the satellite navigation, reverse camera as well. You've got all your cruise control and much more. These are really well appointed. We do have a range of finance, premium protection plans that this car is applicable for. So we look forward to speaking to you soon.